Nkosi and Ntokozo Dlamini have welcomed their baby girl. Celebrity couple Nkosi and Ntokozo Dlamini have revealed that their little princess arrived a month ago. Jessica made the announcement on Instagram on Friday by sharing the cutest picture of her little family. The proud mama also revealed that their little girl's name is Nkosi Dlamini. "I love this girl with a love I can't even begin to describe. I'm so blessed, I'm so in love. It's been a month of pure bliss. This little star has stolen my heart." After months of speculation, Jessica first revealed that she was expecting on the cover of True Love magazine in June. The fiercely private star said she decided to keep her pregnancy away from the spotlight until she was ready because she didn't want it to be linked to any drama. "There's nothing scandalous about my pregnancy. Therefore, I don't want any drama around it, and I certainly don't want anyone to have an opinion about it.